Okay, so we have another lovely client who came in today and got this lovely wig. This is similar to unit number 508, except for it has color in it. How do you like it?
I love it. I really love it. It was the perfect one. After the third try, I almost got big red, but then this one just talked to me.
Shake your head for me.
I don't know how to shake my hair.
That's good.
Flip my hair?
Yep, shake it just like that.
Oh, look at that. It's so soft. Oh my goodness. And the colors are beautiful. I love it.
And you shopped with us before?
Oh yeah, I hadn't been here in a while. I don't know how long, but I knew what I was looking for, so I knew to come straight here. I knew that you guys would have just what I was looking for, and this is perfect. I need it.
Thank you. We tried on these lovely options here, and we settled on this one here, and then I styled the bangs for her to make it just perfect.
Not too into my face, and that's perfect. It's the perfect cut. Feathered it, and it's just coming out really nice. I love it.
Yes.
This is my girl now.
Yes. We will see you again.
Oh
Thank you
yes,
for shopping with
definitely,
us.
definitely. I'm gonna come back with this one. So, might put it on. You guys have layaway still, right?
We do. We'll take care of you.
I'll
And
put
this
it
is
on
another
layaway.
one we custom colored here.
I'm gonna put this one on layaway.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
And that way I know I'll be back for it.
That's right. We got you.
That's mine too. I just wanted this one more right now. So I'm gonna put some on this